that it's boring how people talk. Making smart with their words again. Well, I'm bored, because I'm doing this for the thrill of it, killing it, never not chasing a million things I want. And I am only as young as the minute is full of it, getting pumped up on the little bright things I bought. But I know they'll never own me. Baby, be the class clown, I'll be the beauty queen in tears. It's a new art form showing people how little we care. We're so happy, even when we're smiling out of fear. Let's go down to the tennis court and talk it up like yeah. Pretty soon I'll be getting on my first plane. I'll see the veins of my city like they do in space. But my head's filling up fast with the wicked games up in flames. How can I fuck with the fun again when I'm known? And my boys trip me up with their heads again, loving them. Everything's cool when we're all in line for the throne. But I know it's not forever.
About an hour, the rest of the crew's gonna be here, and then the real fun begins.
Move the carpet.
Okay. There's a spider. We saw a spider in the house. John's on a chair.
What the fuck?
Holy shit.
Where did it go?
John, it's right there.
What's wrong with you guys?
Oh my god.
Right there on the barbecue.
These presents don't really come for free. Your paycheck don't mean that much to me. Just take my hand and hold me tight. You'll never.
Holy fuck, it's on your head. It's right there. It's right there. Right on there.
What? Get up! Oh, I missed them.
By my love, you buy me this and you buy me that. So win over and me over. You got me wrong and that's a fact. Something that you got to know this. Will you realize when I'm gone that I dance to a different love? Will you realize when I'm gone that I dance to a different song? It's a shame that I got to love.
Tip right now.
If you don't get it, then it wasn't worth anything. Oh, fuck that, I'm not tipping. Parking is the biggest mission of all.
Yo, keep the boat up. Yo,
Grab the boat, man. Grab the boat.
Oh my god. My shoe. My shoe. Ow. My shoe went under. Oh my god. My shoe went down. Oh my god. My shoe.
Oh my god, he's out.
Jordan, that rope right there. Jordan, grab that rope right there. It's right behind you. Bring the rope, and I'll bring me the rope, Jordan.
Oh my god. Holy
It's heavy, man.
I fucking knew it.
Yo, grab this boat now.